Hi everyone, it's Brian Khatambakhsh here, team lead at Khatambakhsh Real Estate Team and BrianSoldGuarantee.com. I'm standing in front of our latest exclusive listing, Condo and Absolute Towers, 80 Absolute in fact. This is located in iconic Absolute complex, Marilyn Monroe Towers. It's right across from Square One. It's in the heart of Mississauga's downtown. We are 1 minute away from highway, and the new LRT will go in front. This building 80, some people say it has the is the best of them. It has a great facilities and very low maintenance fee. So we're gonna walk you inside and show you what these facilities are and what the unit will look like. Hi again, everyone. We are now inside the facilities at Absolute Towers. This state-of-the-art facilities they have includes indoor pool, outdoor pool, weight room, cardio room, basketball court, mini squash courts, and the theater room. So all of these are included in this incredibly low maintenance fee that is at your fingertip 24/7. You can enjoy all these facilities with that low maintenance fee. Now we are going to the unit to show you what are the features of the unit. We are now inside the building, Unit 204. Let's go on. This is a one plus den. It has a good size den, a very large size. It could be used as an office or even a second bedroom. To your right, there's a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, and the backsplash. A very large and spacious living room, dining room with large window, lots of sunlight coming to this unit. And then we have laundry room, good size bedroom, and of course to your right is a 4-piece bathroom. So if you or someone you know is interested in owning this condo, please do give us a call, 647-848-2652. Call us for your private showing, 647-848-2652. Have a great day.